Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to take a look at this 2020 Nissan Murano. Power for this Murano comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. From the side, we've got deep tinted privacy glass for your passengers and cargo, as well as chrome door handles and color matched mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving around to the front, we've got these nice big headlights, as well as the blacked out grille with chrome trim and fog lights. Inside, we have a whole ton of awesome features too, so let's hop right in and check it out. So jumping inside, we've got a whole ton of great features. Checking out the door panel, we have our power locks, windows and mirrors, and our memory settings for our power driver's seat. Just zooming in here, we're gonna find our park assist sensors, as well as our heated steering wheel, traction control, and heated liftgate, or power liftgate. And then over here on the left-hand side, we've got our audio controls, as well as our hands-free Bluetooth calling. And over here on the right, we are gonna find our cruise control. Moving on over to the center console, we have an AM, FM stereo with Bluetooth and Sirius satellite radio, as well as a CD player. We also have a full navigation system. Moving down, we've got our dual zone electronic climate control with our rear window defrost and air conditioning. Coming down a little bit further, we've got our push button start and our USB and auxiliary power inputs. And then right over here, we'll find our heated front seats. If we look up here, these are your controls right there for your panoramic roof. And then swinging around and checking out the back, we have tons of room, and it's all this beautiful tan leather interior. So let's hop out and check out the rear of this Murano and see what we have for cargo space. Moving around to the back, we're going to find our color matched rear shark fin antenna, as well as our rear spoiler. And we're also going to find our Murano SL all-wheel drive badging and our dual exhaust. You can get into your power liftgate by holding down your key fob from inside the vehicle, or just walking up and hitting the latch. So right in here, we've got a good amount of cargo space, and those back seats do fold down 60-40 to expand that cargo space, as well as giving you some options for passengers as well. As you can see, we've got a set of all-weather rubber matting in there for you, and you've just got lots of room. To close your liftgate, you just want to press that button. You can turn around and walk away and be completely assured it will close up for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2020 Nissan Murano with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come down to 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. Or if you have some questions before making the trip, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday, or you can find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this Murano and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody is doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we hope to see you soon.